I'm going to show you how to delete all mails in your Gmail at once. So what you want to do is within your actual Gmail, near the left side, you'll actually see where you have all your folders, and then you can click More. And once you click that, you want to scroll down and you'll see where it says All Mail, and you can go ahead and click that. So once you get here, you're going to actually see it'll show all the email that you have in your Gmail account. And what you could either do is just go ahead and select each email one by one and click delete, but we know that that would take too long. I mean, I just sent myself a few test emails to try to make sure that I have enough emails for this video, and even then I only have about 20 or so, and that would just take too long to select each email manually. So what you can actually do is if you click this select button, it'll actually select all the emails that are on the page. But as you can see, there's only 10 emails showing, and in total I have 27 emails, and that would take too long once again. But what you actually notice is when you select all of the emails, it'll say only 10 conversations on this page are selected, but you'll actually see a button next to it that says select all 27 conversations. And so if you have, however many more emails, it'll actually let you select all of them at once. And once you click this button, it'll show you that all the conversations are selected. And you can either clear their selection, or what we can actually do is since we want to delete them, we can just go ahead and click the delete button. And it'll ask if we want to delete everything, and we can just click OK. And that is exactly how we can delete all mails in our Gmail at once. Now, if you have any questions or anything that you're unsure about, be sure to leave a message down below. But if this video did help you, be sure to leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel.